Back to my channel, my friends. Today we learn data entry with the online money. You are an Australian or not? You are probably heard of data entry before. It's something that everyone has tried out of least once. Companies work with data which input to their system instead of paying someone a salary to regularly do it. They can hear you part time over the internet. They will not only be saving on a salary but space on, as you won't be their physical office. A lot of the sites that offer data entry are freelancing ones. You don't need any skills for this job. You are just inputting data and you can do it across any field, so it's very appealing. If you are interested, look on firms that you are true worthily names in the game. The would tell you the people that are the most worth your time. You are properly would be deciding on your trades. That team would you give you some for the set amount information to put. All major jobs required virtual assistants. Thankfully, you don't need to be at in the office assistant someone. The jobs just required you do think like responding to emails, organization, meeting, handling, and other administration. Administration work. You don't need to be qualified to do the above. But most people who are looking virtual assistant here hire about people who are experienced. They also hire as a full-time employees, so you will be getting a good salary. This would make it one of the highest earning entries on our list. The beauty of being a virtual assistant is that it's a job on the rise. More companies are looking for them as they save physical space and they don't have to pay things like employee funds, and as it's just admin work. You can get flexible with your schedule. You will see a lot of moms talking about in the jobs. In terms of follow, you can find position looking through jobs listing as a normally would be will help. There are Facebook pages looking to set clients up with to online surveys. Surveys are one of the easiest ways to make cash. That's being said, you won't make as much trading shares or investing in Bitcoin. You don't get paid after a set question, so if you are keeping doing them in multiple sites, you might think you will earn some good pocket money. Unfortunately, a lot of these platforms restricted how many surveys you can answer. This prevents you from making large sums. You make a wonderful why you are get paid to answer question. It's because marketing companies need to know what consumer think before launching products. They also need to know what you think before investing to products. Getting to know what a general public thinks also helps them refine their services. If you are new my channel, please subscribe and share. and don't forget like. But as there are many service sites available, you should be careful. A good chunk of them are fake. If their sites is not professional, they most likely are not worth your time. Instead of using survey sites, you can make more money. You might see specific questions by companies or Facebook forums like Reddit. Their rates B are the best. Next option, online shop. When it comes to Australia, the most popular online store would be Amazon. eBay is not far behind, neither to stay. All of them charge a fee. You need a sell products at a good rates to make profit. We enjoy that you can sell all sorts of goods. The fact that you can set their prices to anything is great as well. However, getting to step would turn people away. Be mindful that you could be spending quite a bit. It might be very expensive to cover the shipping charges of whatever you are selling. Owning a online shop will always be fun. You occasionally be dealing with angry customers. To get the most cash, find a niches that buyers are interested in. It should be a starting thought is would not give you or any room to success. Next option, a Airbnb. We believe using Airbnb still falls into marketing cash online, as you will be listing your home on the internet, finding people rent it too. We just had include it is to we just had include there as one of the most interactive things you could do part time. We don't list in the higher up, as it's not a making cash online as other points. You can completely rent your home out, making cash when you are out of town. You or your call out, giving out a room to boarders. How will mentioned your space is well, how much you would make.